Hi, this is Dr. Tamanna Kochar, and you are watching me at my Facebook platform that is Falcon Homeopathy. Today we are going to talk about the lecithin, an amazing youth element. A phospholipid serving as a structural material for every cell of the body. 30% of dry brain, 17% of the nervous system, and 73% of total liver fats. So, if your mental or nervous activity is faster, that means that you are more into mental jobs like banker, scientist, doctor, nurse, clerk, or teacher, etc. Or your nervous exertion is much due to stress or certain anxieties. That means that you may be consuming more lecithin than its replacement. So now what are the benefits of having lecithin in our body? Heart. Lecithin has a tendency to break down the larger particles of cholesterol into the smaller ones, and thus protecting us from the narrowing or occlusion of certain various arteries in our body. Thus, having more lecithin can save us from heart attacks. So, if you are eating more fats and you have more cholesterol in your body, having more lecithin or enough lecithin in your diet can save you from heart attack or many other consequences resulting from high cholesterol in your body. Deficiency of lecithin in diet may be one of the causes of having faster aging process, and having enough lecithin in your diet can retard this process too. It helps to remove the yellow or yellow-brown plaques on or over the skin of the eyes, resulting due to fat deposits or cholesterol deposits. So it is having a very good cosmetic effect. Lecithin acts as a sexual aid too. It acts as a mood booster. It restores the sexual power. Seminal fluid is much rich in lecithin. Thus, especially it's in need of men. Shattered nervous and mental parts due to stress and overexhaustion, lecithin can restore the waning activities of them too. Now the question is, what are the sources of lecithin? Egg yolk, vegetable oils, whole grain cereals, soybean milk. And what to avoid? White flour, animal fats except fish, margarines, peanut butter, and processed cheese. So now let's study lecithin from homeopathic point of view. It is indicated in faulty nutrition where there is an excretion of phosphates. Whenever you are finding that there is an excess of excretion of phosphates in urine reports, so there is a role of lecithin, and due to that the patient become weak and exhausted. It should be remembered in anemia, especially during convalescence. There is a sense of exhaustion and insomnia. So it is having a great role in anemia also. One more indication is it acts as an excellent galactogogue, meaning render milk more nourishing and even increases the quantity of milk. Again, here we can see increases the number of amount of red corpuscles and amount of hemoglobin given in mental exhaustion and impotency. As we have already discussed about the role of lecithin. Persons who are sexually weak, so lecithin is having a great role in that. Male power lost or enfeebled. Urine scanty. Along with scantiness, there are phosphates in urine. So lecithin stops the excretion of phosphates. So these are the main roles of lecithin. So if we study from Phatak Materia Medica, it improves the nutrition, acts as a galactogogue for the persons who are sexually weak. So everywhere you can see the uses of lecithin. So it's a great medicine. So basically this lecture was for homeopathic students and my colleagues. I hope I have shared the maximum knowledge I can. Lecithin is a very rarely used medicine, but having immense uses in day-to-day practice. Thank you so much, and like my page if you want to learn more about such kind of medicines in future. Thank you.